How to clear browsing history in Temu. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear your browsing history on Temu's website. Let's dive right in. You need to open up your browser and then you need to go to temu.com, go to orders and accounts, and then there you can find browsing history. Just tap on it and you will find all of your browsing history here. Now you need to tap on manage in the top right, and then you can select all or you can select specific ones that you want to delete, and then you can tap on delete. And once you confirm it, there you go. You have cleared your browsing history. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.